Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. My name is Ryan and today I'm going to show you how to replace the hood struts for a 2014 Ford F-150. The hood struts are what actually physically hold the hood up so it doesn't fall on you while you are working on the vehicle. It is very important for these to be in good working order, so if you ever need to work on your vehicle on the side of the road, it is any more annoying than it already is, especially if a hood's falling on top of you. It could be potentially dangerous. How you know you need to replace your hood struts? Well, your hood doesn't stay up and it falls down, or it'll go up and then just slowly creep down. It's probably time to replace your hood struts, and I have left a link down below in the description to the ones I used in the video, so let's go ahead and get into it. So before we start monkeying around with this, what we need to do is grab a prop rod and put it somewhere safe like that, and just extend it up. You could use a broom handle, you could use a neighbor, but a prop rod is nice and handy. So I'm going to show you how to do this on one side of the hood strut because it's exactly the same, and this one's really easy to film. So we can just kind of orientate it so it's a little bit easier for us to see. It kind of pops the clip up too, you see that? What you can do is just get a flat implement. Standard screwdriver usually works pretty good. We're just going to wedge it between the body and the clip until it gets off there. Watch your eyes, and then we can just remove the strut like that and do that for both sides, and the strut should come off. So I've given the same treatment to this clip already. You only need to get out of the way a little bit, and we can just take it off and remove this gas strut completely. So here's the end of our new unit. I've already slid the clip up with a standard screwdriver. It's very easy to do, and then we can just reinstall exactly how we found it. And this is our new gas strut, link down below in the description for you. So all you want to do is put on, and it doesn't matter which side, it can go like this or like this, but I'm going to put it on the way I found it. And all you need to do is put it on like this, and sometimes you might have to actually like rotate the mounting bulb a little bit. It's not uncommon. There we go. Perfect. So in this instance, the clip actually came all the way out. Sometimes that's easier. And what you can do is just kind of slide it in from the top. Like that. Might fight you a little bit. They're spring loaded, so, you know, it's going to be a little frustrating. Once you get to this stage, you can just pull the clip down to its new home, like that, and check it out. And just do that for both sides. So check it out. Now this can't fall off, and our gas strut's installed. Now the passenger side is exactly the same as the driver, so do this for the driver's side and you will have brand new struts on your hood. So that's how to replace your hood struts on a 2014 Ford F-150. Very, very easy. Do not take this to somebody to do for you. This is something you can totally do in your driveway or even a parking lot with maybe just a standard screwdriver. It is very, very simple, and I hope you do this yourself and save yourself all kinds of money. Thank you so very much for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider giving a like or even subscribing. It really helps the channel out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.